Okay, for today's lesson, we are going to multiply fractions to be a whole lot easier than adding and subtracting. So I went ahead and cut the notes and filled it in just to make the video be a little bit shorter. So the first one is fraction by fraction. So super easy, multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators, and then simplify. So we multiply the tops, 2 times 1 is 2. Multiply the bottoms, 3 times 6 is 18. And then last step is to simplify. They're both even, so we can divide by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 18 divided by 2 is 9. And then that is it. Okay, next one, fraction by a whole number. So first step is to write a 1 under the whole number. Then we'll multiply the fractions, and then we'll simplify and or convert into a mixed number. So we'll add a 1 underneath. Now we'll multiply the fractions just like the top problem. So multiply the tops, 5 times 1 is 5. Multiply the bottoms, 1 times 2 is 2. And we have a mixed number, so we have to divide. Figure out how many times 2 will go into 5. 2 will go into 5 2 times, which is 4. Subtract and we get 1. Now we build our fraction. The number on top is our whole number. Denominator is still 2, so it's going to stay 2, and then that remainder goes on top. So we get 2 and 1/2. And sometimes on this one, you may not even have to simplify or convert into a mixed number. But again, we cannot have fractions that are unsimplified. We cannot have fractions that are improper. They will be counted wrong. Okay, last one. So multiplying mixed numbers. So first step is to convert into an improper fraction. We'll multiply the fraction, and then we'll simplify and or convert into a mixed number if we have to. So remember, to do an improper fraction, we do our texes. So we'll multiply 1 times 2. Then we'll add the top. So 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1 makes 3. Do the same thing the other one. 3 times 2 is 6. Add the top, plus 2 is 8. So 3 times 8 is 24. 2 times 3 is 6. And now we will simplify. So how many times can 6 go into 24? And that is going to go in there evenly of 4. So sometimes we can have whole numbers, so don't let that bother you. So now we'll look at some more problems on our practice.